Welcome to Word 360.
Episode number 9.
Today, we're exploring a cool word, extolling. In this short video, you'll learn what it means, how to use it, and see it in action with lively examples. Let's jump in.
So, what does extolling mean? It's a word that means to praise someone or something highly. Think of it like giving a big cheer or saying amazing things about a person, place, or idea. It's always about showing love or admiration. It is a verb. A verb is a word that shows action, like run, eat, or praise. Extolling is a verb because it's the action of praising. Let's see some examples. Example 1. Jake was extolling his new bike to his buddies. He said, "This bike is so fast and cool, I love it." Example 2. Maya was extolling her teacher's fun lessons in class. She told everyone, "Miss Sarah makes learning so exciting." Example 3. Lisa was extolling her team's hard work in a meeting. She cheered, "You all made this project awesome." Example 4. Emma was extolling Paris after her trip. She told her friends, "The city is so beautiful, you must go." Synonyms: praising, applauding. Antonyms: criticizing, condemning. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment with words you want to learn. See you next time.